Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to add a text effect on your Instagram DM. So I'm just going to go to the direct message bit right there. Go and just message any of your friends. Just type in whatever you like. I'm just going to type in whatever, and I am now going to press on this sort of like search button. And then I can choose either this one, it's the heart one. Let's try another one. We have also this confetti one, and then we also have this one, this fiery one, and I think this is the last one. Let's see. Yep, this is the last one, and you have to sort of click on it. And that is basically it. That's how you can add a text effect on your Instagram DM. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!